Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ethan Chadavilar, magkaisa bawat oras sama-sama, City of the Law.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Glenn Christopher Mendoza Suba, 21, from the southernmost gateway of the melting pot province of Sarlac, Asenso, Bamban.